Hi, I'm Amy Smith, and I got to internship with Patricia Fashions. I loved this opportunity because I got to learn how to run my own business, especially outside of a home, but do so in a very proficient and beneficial way. I also got to learn a lot more about alterations and how to alter clothing, which is the main thing that Patricia Fashion does. We create wedding dresses from scratch all the way to just altering dresses that people buy from stores. So I learned a lot there. And then the other thing I got to do, which was really cool, is I got to run a social media marketing campaign for her website as well as update her website. She hadn't updated her website in over 10 years and it was looking very outdated and didn't have any of the information that the website should really have. So I got to help her with that. And I'll show you a little bit about that. Um, so just a little introduction to me. This is me. This is working in the costume shop where I met Patty. We both worked at BYUI Theater Costume Shop. She's the director there. She actually just retired a week ago. And that's why this internship came about, is because she was retiring and wanted to start working her alterations business full time instead of just on the side. So she needed someone to help her do that. And I was in the perfect position to start up with that. So one of the things I did for her was her website. This is the front page here, and you can see it's a very modern, simple, beautiful design. Before it was really dark and very cluttered and small, and it didn't have near the information it does now. I updated her about page and we got her a new picture, so it was brighter and more inviting. The other picture was from when she was around 20 years old. Anyway, so this was a huge update. The pricing, she didn't have any prices on her website, and so by putting on the prices, when people visit her page, they can immediately find all the answers to the questions that they're looking for. And then from there, it leads right into their portfolio to say, look, this is what we can do. And then this is her contact information that you can contact her through email or you can call her, and all those are linked, and with her address as well. And that was a pretty cool experience. So not only did I did that, but we found out that it was extremely important to have reviews on her page, on both her Facebook page and her other page. And so we found some more we asked people to start giving us reviews and received a lot of feedback. What was cool about this was that we received so many clients from this that I only marketed and sent campaigns out for a couple weeks, and then we had so much we had to just pull it back and not do anymore because the work was so good. I'm really grateful for this opportunity because it taught me how to run a business and how to put the real effort in that you need, because it really pays off in the end. When you put everything that you want into the business, you get out of. And so I learned that a lot because there was just the two of us. The work had to be done either by Patty or by me. And I think that was a huge learning experience because I think in this day and age, we try to get away from that a little bit. We try to get out of work, but really, if we want to make it places and achieve our goals, then we need to work hard to do that. And my dream is to be a technical designer in fashion, and so this has brought me a lot of experience that I'm going to need to go into my field, and I'm really looking forward to that and grateful for that. And I had an incredible experience. I'm grateful.